Morning. Wore my red shirt today. I thought I'd bring out the color of my eye. It's officially day 9. And in all the years doing this kind of stuff, and wire wheels and gritty wheels and all kind of junk, metal shavings, I've had stuff in my eye lots of times, but boy, this stuff just keeps on coming out. So left eye is feeling much better. Right eye just keeps puking out grit. So that's how. Update on my eyeball. Update on where I might start today. I got one more tire back here that for sure I need to figure out what to do with. I got a couple of good rollers over there that could sit on this car for now if they fit. And or I might have another tire to go on that rim. So either way, we're going to get this car sorted out today. We're going to get it cleaned up because it's sitting here looking pretty bad. I'm going to get the rims out of it because the rims got to go be fixed. And so that might be where we start today. Tire on the back of the 91. Get her cleaned up so I can put the cover on it. And it's not so evil next time I look at it. I'll be back shortly. Coffee's just starting to seep through my veins. And trying to get that caffeine direction. Can't figure out which way to go right now, so see you in a bit. First thing I'm going to do is test fit the rollers, see if they fit on there. If they don't, I'm swapping tires. So here I go. So you might say, how many damn tire videos are you going to do? I'll show you. This thing right here, I didn't buy it. It's an old Sears Craftsman that I found in the garage I cleaned out. And it's been cranking off tires for the past 6, 7, 8 years. I like it. It's a challenge getting them big fat tires underneath this car with the skirt. I gotta jack it up a little more. I'm pretty sure these are going to rub pretty bad. If that's what's going to happen, I got to find another tire to put on that stock rim. They fit better on here than they do on the wagon with them big wide tires. We'll see what happens when I get it rolling. So good. Total fail. Fits on the other side, but it don't fit on this side. It's nice that all my tires are the same size, and all my rims are kind of the same size, and I got options. Here we go with this option. I'm thinking at this point, I should have named this channel Tires, Tires, Tires. That's about all I do around here. I did mention that early on in the program. But let's have a look around. 91's back to clean. Stuff gets sitting around here under the trees, gets molded up and dirty. I try to keep it clean. I've been slacking for a while. It's back to looking good. It's got 4 good looking rollers on it. Those tires would be very usable for anything. I kind of like the way it sits with that size. Covers just enough rim. Sticks out just enough tire. I think that's what we're going to be looking for when we get this thing on the road. That's the stance anyway. That might be the tire setup, unless I come up with something better. But for now, we're sitting good. All them other tires kept going flat. These are good for a while. Car's clean. I'm going to put the cover on it, put it to bed, and call it a day. So projects around here aren't always as bad as they seem to be. And keeping them all clean and pretty just isn't a priority sometimes. Today was one of those days where it's questionable weather. I didn't want to break my ass. End of the month, I'm out of money. So there it is for now. Cover goes on, and we'll have a see. Ah, there, she looks pretty comfortable now. Out of the sun, out of the leaves, out of the junk. Won't keep the rain off, but it helps a little. Maybe tomorrow, we'll do the 96. Get it cleaned up. I got a tire on the front of this one, keeps going low. But these I can't take off on that machine. I might have to take that tire up to the shop, see why it's leaking, get that sorted out. These are brand new tires, they shouldn't be leaking. But I need to get this one cleaned up and covered too. At least that'll be 2 down. About it for now. I'm about wore out. Tires kick my butt. They're heavy. They're dirty. And I'm wore out. I guess I'm going inside. I'll see y'all later.